Hey, how are we today? I hope good. It's nice and sunny out. It's kind of cool, but it's really nice outside. All right, so I'm gonna read you a book today. It's called Because of a Sneeze. Hey, Brett! Tell the kids I said hi! All because of a sneeze. What happens when you guys sneeze? Do you cover your mouth? Do you use your arm? Or do you just let it go? Yeah, you should definitely cover your mouth. And hopefully you have that mask on to cover it. That really would help a lot. Oh, Kala! All right, so I thought I would go over some of the words that are in the book. They're just some little words, some sight words. What is this word? The. That's right. Did you say the? Awesome. All right, here's a big word, and it starts the title off. It says, because. And this one is a nice simple word, right? Of. Right? Of. And then we have a. Right? A. Hey, Mags! How are you? All right. All because of a sneeze. Achoo! Right? All because of a sneeze. Look at this girl. She didn't cover her mouth at all. And I think that there's going to be something that's going to happen. There she is. Do you ever sneeze when you help your mom dusting? Sometimes when I dust, I sneeze too. The mouse got scared. Look at that mouse. It scared her because she sneezed, right? Because of the mouse. I wonder what's going to happen. The cat jumped up. The cat jumped up. So you know what I want you guys to do? I want you to jump. Jump. Just like the cat. Jump. There you go. Did you jump? How does a dog sneeze? Because of the cat. Why do you think the cat jumped? Right? Because of the mouse, right? The mouse probably scared the cat. And what was the cat doing? It was eating its food. The dog ran away because the cat jumped, probably scared the dog. And because of the dog, the chicken took off. And there he goes. Whoop, there goes the chickens. See them? Now, where do you think they are in the book? Do you think they're inside the house, outside of the house, in the city, or maybe on a farm? And because of the chickens, they're probably squawking like crazy. Oh. There we go. The rabbits got scared. There are those rabbits. The chicken is chasing the rabbits. Because, look at, they have sun on this page. It must be a beautiful day on the land of the farm. Because of the rabbits, the farmer fell down. Look at that farmer. He's like, oh, those crazy rabbits, they got a hold of me. And look at What's coming out? Because of the farmer falling. Whoop. The pigs got loose. Look at the pigs. Oh, but do you recall this? What is this? Do you think we're at the end of the book? Or are we still in like maybe the middle? Because obviously we're not at the beginning because we've read past all of that. So we're probably near the end. And you can always tell because there's nothing left. And the pigs got loose. And all because Olivia sneezed. All because Olivia sneezed. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, so what happens when you sneeze sometimes? Well, we're going to go over some more sight words because I thought maybe you might enjoy seeing some school words that maybe you haven't seen in a while. All right, what's this word? And, right? And this word is. Then we have this one, I went to the store. And this word is the, right? And it starts our sentence because it has a capital what? Capital T. And then here's the again. In, right? Something that goes in, like in a box, or maybe it's in the store, or in the farmer's market. No, don't touch that, right? No. There you go. Up. Kind of like jump up, right? And we have go. And this, sorry. And this, what do you think? Is it in the beginning of the sentence or the middle of the sentence? Or is it at the end of the sentence? It probably starts the sentence because it has a what? A capital letter. Oh, and the word is she, right? She. Is that what you guessed? I hope so. Can. See. What do you see with? You see with your eyes, right? And then we have no again. And how about this one? Go. And like. Can you tell me something that you like? That's important to you? All right. Well, that's the end for me today. I wish you all a great day. I miss you very much here at the Neighborhood Center. And we hope that we can open soon. So stay very healthy. Wear those face masks and gloves and stay nice and healthy. But make sure that you do get some exercise so that you are full of lots of good stuff, right? All right, I wish you all a great day. Have a good one. Ciao, baby!